Guys, how we doing? This is just a quick mid-week review, so I'm not going to bother with fundamentals. We already know it from last week. AUD CAD. Many pips is that? Let's have a look. Come on. This is bloody annoying. There we go. I mean, it's only 120 pips, right? Fucking hell. It's better than nothing, but I usually don't even bother with it. AUD this is frustrating because we actually, let me just look at the daily to find out, because I'll remember in the daily where I got into this. Yeah, we got into this right here and here. We got into it twice, and then we closed it. I think it was around here, maybe around here, and it's just kept going. It was really horrible because I remember when we closed this out, and then this happened. I was like, oh, thank fuck for that, because it was just a big mess. But look, I mean, it's continued to go up in this uptrend, right? This was actually the TP. This was TP1, and we closed it around here, so it wasn't too far away from TP1. But I mean, look, it's still pretty shit. If you look at the distance travelled from it entered here, sorry, hold on, from entering here up to here, I mean, it's 300 pips. That's all right, 300 pips, all right. But think of the time you've had to wait. Do you know what I mean? Like, you've had to wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 weeks. You've had to wait for 300 pips. Not really my cup of tea, guys, This is what I mean. Choose your trades. You don't need to trade everything that fucking moves, right? What we got here? AUDNZD. It would be buys for me all day. Not right now. You're probably going to see us come down first. But I would only be looking to buy it. I wouldn't be looking to sell this. Because the Aussie economy is far stronger than the NZD. NZD is getting some strength just now. But that is because of your risk on, risk off. And if you look at NZD, they're only offering 2.25% the central bank rates, and AUD is 4.35%. So obviously, if you're an Aussie living in Australia, this is not good because your rate of inflation is fucking the highest in the world. It's through the roof. We already spoke about this a year ago before this even happened. And a lot of Aussies get trapped by this zero deposit mortgage and all this kind of stuff. And yeah, you're fucked for it now. Your mortgage, this is the type of thing where people are going to be really struggling to repay their mortgages back if they don't have a really fucking good job. So let me just jump back to this quickly for anyone who's new. So why does central bank rates make Aussie stronger than NZD, as well as combining it with all the the positive news? Well, it's because the central bank rate here is an interest rate, right? So in layman's terms, if you're a massive investor with hundreds of millions or even billions of dollars, and you want to invest in an up and coming economy, right, in a growing economy, because that's where you're going to make money, right? If you invest your money into New Zealand are telling you there you're going to get 2.25% per year. Australia are telling you if you invest your money in our economy, we're going to give you 4.35% per year on your money. So where are you going to put your money? If you had that option in the bank, and one bank was going to offer you 2%, one bank was going to offer you 4.5%, which one are you going to choose? You're going to choose the bank that's going to give you 4.5%, right? Well, it's no different from these big global institutional investors, okay? If you look here, this is in a prime sell area. But we need to see some confirmation, right? So confirmation would look like this. Maybe a liquidity grab, back down. Let's see this. Wait there. Hold on a minute. I'm going to fucking delete that and show you again. I'm going to zoom in. Okay. So, look at this. You've got this part here, right? A confirmation would be, boom, liquidity grab, straight back down, back up, back down. It breaks this low here. It will come back up, retest this low, and then away you go, right? So that would be your entry. If you wanted to be greedy and risky, then this could be your entry, or this. But for the safer entry, this is your entry right here, and it gives you that confirmation. Lower, low, lower, highs, boom, okay? Right, AUD USD. Euro AUD. Yeah, I mean, you kinda. Yeah, let's see what happens. Two of them are okay. What's this? Euro CAD. Oh, look. Fuck, how did I miss that? Oh, because I've got my bloody. What do you call it? I've got my alert here at this one. This is 786. So I think it could still pull back down, you know. Because this. What's this? Let's just have a look. This is the 500, so that's not really good value. You could take it, it's just it's not the best value. Really want to see it hit here. This is like the 618786, right? So let's see what you might get is rejection here. Boom, boom, boom. Back, you might come up, then back down, retest here, and away we go. Now, if it doesn't, and you're like, fucking hell, I missed that entry there, because look, I already had it marked up, right? Every time it hits, I'm telling you guys. So what might happen is it might come here. You want it to break above this zone here, right? You want it to break above, come back down with one or two candles, reject here, and then take off, okay? So that's going to be your next entry point, this right here, okay? This corner right here would be your next entry point, okay? Let's just set an alert. Okay, perfect. Euro CHF. I mean, look, previous support once broken becomes new resistance, but there's no value to take a sell from here. I'm not even going to bother. Euro NZD. Euro's kind of weak just now. NZD's kind of strong just now, but it's short term. Overall, in the bigger picture, Euro is strong and NZD is weak. However, we need to watch what happens with the Eurozone because they are potentially the ones that would fall victim to this whole Strait of Hormuz being closed and blah, 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 okay? Let's have a look. That's been 10. Okay. There's Plaza now, so that carried at 17 operations, stagnant drawing multi-position, blah blah blah. Okay, a lot of shite. What have we got? Okay, Euro weak bearish. That's just now though, and NZD neutral, right? So you wouldn't even trade them just now. You need one to be bullish and one to be bearish. So let's just wait and see what it does. But I'm going to mark it because it's in a kind of nice spot now. Euro Japanese yen. Euro USD. Nah, it's look, it's if in doubt, zoom out. Like, could push up again to here. Could be from here to here, but really need to see. Really need to see what comes up. Euro USD, what we got here. Euro is weak bearish. USD is neutral. See. Neutral and weak bearish. You want one of them to be strong, one of them to be weak. See when one's neutral and like one's bearish or one's neutral and one's weak bullish. This is what you get. This shitty little like range here, right? It's not really doing anything. When you get one strong and one weak, this is what you get, right? That's exactly what you fucking want. That's what you get. This here. That's what you want. You don't want any of this shit. You don't want to be trapped in that for fucking 3 months. Fuck that. What we got here? GBP AUD. It's a good potential place for buys. Just let's wait and see. I'd prefer it to come here actually, but it might not get that, so let's wait and see. GBP CAD. That is buys, but yeah, it's just pish. I wouldn't take it. GBP CHF, nothing. GBP NZD. Well, it's broken this now, so we're now looking at down here. Let me just move this. Here we go. Let's see what it does down here. Let's clean this up because it's already broken, which is fine. There we go. GBP USD, nah, shit. NZD CAD, nah, both of them are shit. NZD CHF, shit. NZD Japanese Yen, shit. Potential for a sell here, but we still need to wait and see. I'm gonna move this now because it's obviously the old one. There we go. Okay, let's see. We have a potential here, here, and here. Let's see what that they are on the Fibonacci. 618, 786, both my favourite places. So I'll mark this up for sells. USD CAD, nothing really there. USD CHF, nothing really there. USD Japanese Yen, potential buys, but we need to wait. Yeah, look, weak bearish and neutral, right? But shit, that's why I'm just waiting, guys. Honestly, I know it's frustrating, like swing trading, you're waiting, but instead of like taking this from here to here, taking that from here to here, would you not just rather wait, enter this and fucking take it to here? You know what I mean? Or enter this and take it to here, enter this and take it to here. You know what I mean? I can't be bothered entering this, taking it down, entering that, closing it here. It's just fucking pointless. So much work. Whereas with swing trading, it's not a lot of work. Every morning you can come in. It takes me, 30 minutes to do these videos for you because I'm openly talking through. But if I'm sitting here myself, right, and I'm not explaining it to anyone, I'm literally going like that. Fuck all. Maybe I have something here. Fuck all. You know what I mean? Like, it takes me 10 minutes to look through this in the morning. And once I've looked through it, I know that there's nothing else for me to take that day. And if there is, I'll make a note and I'll be like, okay, keep your eye on Euro USD. That's it, guys. Honestly, it's why I fucking love swing trading. I don't have to spend all day at my bloody computer. The whole point for trading for me was the freedom, right? Being able to make money, but not fucking glued to an office all day working for someone. But you will find whatever method of trading works for you. Like, Lee loves scalping, absolutely loves it, and he's brilliant at it. You guys love it because you can get it more often, right? Not everybody likes swing trading, and I can fully understand that because sometimes I'm sitting here, I haven't taken a trade for 6 weeks, and I'm like, fucking hell, hurry up, this is brain dead. You know what I mean? I do feel the same way, but I know that the results fucking pay off, right? And the risk is small for good returns. Oil, let's see what we've got here. Let's see. Okay, there's nothing really that I would enter yet, guys. Okay, but if there is later, I'll let you know. Let's have a quick look at indices. Look at that, man. That'd been a fucking cracker. Bang in my zone as well. Bang in my fucking zone. I think they all came in, look. Look at that, you bastard. Just missed. Hit. Look. Fucking every time. Every freaking time. Even that one, look. Even this one here. Hit. It's fucking mental. Okay, guys, there's nothing here. Alright, I'm just going to bide my time, see what happens with the markets, and look in the H4. Yeah. Alright, if I end up entering anything, I will let you know right away, guys, okay? So have a good one. Take care.